Good morning, my dear sixth students. We are seeing prose 3, a visitor from distant lands, especially about black pepper and chilies. Black pepper and chilies who came from other countries. These are not locally grown. This lesson is a kind of conversation between Mani and his family members. One day, Mani refused to take foreign vegetables, as his teacher told him. What did his teacher told him? The teacher told the class students, including Mani, that they should buy and eat locally grown food. She also told them that they should use things made in India. Okay. While his mummy was serving potato curry, Mani refused to take potato as it is from foreign countries. His sister opposed his opinion because these potatoes and vegetables were bought by their mummy from the shop near the bus stop. Okay. Then Mani complained about her innocence to his father and asked something about foreign vegetables. Okay. Then Mani's parents and sister were kidding him, saying that he cannot order he cannot order henceforth for a tomato soup or a pineapple juice. He cannot eat popcorn the next time they go to the theater, watch movie. Okay, his parents and sister were kidding him, saying that he cannot order henceforth for a tomato soup or a pineapple juice. He cannot eat popcorn the next time. Whenever they went to the theater, Mani asked them to buy tomato soup or a pineapple juice. So, his parents and his sister told like that. Okay. They said, reason. What did they say? Look here. Then you cannot eat popcorn the next time we go to watch a movie. His sister told. Mani, then you can't order anything. His father told him that. And you cannot order tomato soup either or even pineapple juice. Already I told about this. Okay. Why? Because they told him that they said so because corn, tomatoes, and even ladies' fingers all came from the other countries by some merchants, because these are belonging to other countries. Actually, tomato, each and every vegetables has origin. What is the origin of tomato? Origin of tomato, USA. Origin of corn, USA. Tomato, origin of tomato, South Africa. Okay. Here you see, Mani asked the reason. Why? Why can't I eat popcorn or soup or anything that I want to? Mani asked like that. Asked the reason for the saying of his family members, including his sister. Mummy replied him, don't you know that corn tomatoes, and even ladies' fingers all came from other countries? Mummy replied him, he should be known about the origin of corn, tomato, and even ladies' fingers. Already I told you, corn, what is the origin of corn? USA. Origin of tomatoes, South Africa, and even ladies' fingers also came from other countries. Okay, how did they come to India? How did they come to India? This question will be asked by his sister in the next. Really? How did they come to our country, Amma? Did they get on an aeroplane and come here? His sister asked this question to Mummy. Okay. He replied that people came to India in search of spices. Then tomatoes, even ladies' fingers, all came from other countries by some merchants. These are come by some merchants. His parents, his father, no, some merchants brought them here long ago by sea. Why did they bring vegetables to India? Mani asked like that. Okay, according to his father, all these vegetables and corn came to India by some merchants. Okay, Amma and Appa laughed. They should have brought some sweets. Why didn't they? His sister is fond of sweets. She asked them, they should be brought here sweets. But unfortunately, they brought here vegetables. She told like that. So that she asked the question, why didn't they? They could have brought some sweets. Why didn't they? People came to India in search of spices, especially black pepper. A man from Portugal named Vasco da Gama sailed to Kerala. People came to India in search of spices. Spices, you should be known the meaning of spices. You can use this in biryani. Spices. What are the spices? You know, black pepper, ginger, etc. Chili also a kind of spices. People came to India in search of spices, especially black pepper. The black pepper also known as black gold. It has also medicinal power also, black pepper. So that it was the most prized spice traded from the Kerala coasts, black pepper. Indians have been using black pepper for a very long time. Farmers began to growing black pepper in around 5,000 years ago. So that black pepper is also very important spice in the food of Indians. His parents also explained like that. Okay. A man from Portugal named Vasco da Gama sailed to Kerala coast and took a lot of black pepper to his country. Vasco da Gama is a Portugal Portugal sailor also, who came to Kerala coast and took a lot of black pepper to his country. You know one thing, chili was first brought into Goa. Actually, this lesson is about chili also. Already I told you, chili is a kind of spices, one of the spices. A chili was first brought into Goa, and the people that learned to use this new spice in their cooking. Okay. Imagine the joy of the sailors when they reached Kozhikode and found black pepper. They took a lot of pepper back to their country. Already I told you. The Portuguese sailor who came to Kerala, Kozhikode, and took a lot of black pepper to his country. Okay. Here you should be known who is Portuguese sailor. Vasco da Gama. Vasco da Gama. Okay. We will see in the next video. Okay. Bye.